Hey everyone, my name is Abiola, a creative developer with 6 years experience in front-end development and UX design. For a while now, I've been working on a project that I'm really excited about, my own template store, Astrae. Today, I would like to take you behind the scenes, how Astrae started, the challenges I've faced, what's next, and all that. So, if you are a developer, a designer, or an entrepreneur looking to build something of your own, I think you'll find this interesting. So, let's jump in. Astray is all about high quality, handcrafted templates built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Framer Motion, now known as Motion. Perfect for startups, SaaS companies, and agencies who want to stand out in this crowded digital landscape. So why Astray? As a developer, I've built tons of websites for clients. And one thing I've noticed is that most templates focus on quantity over quality. You get tons of generic, outdated designs that don't feel modern or premium at all. I wanted to change that. My idea for Astray was to create a smaller collection of premium handcrafted templates that feel more polished, sleek animations, thoughtful layouts, and modern aesthetics. But here's the thing, not everyone has the time or the skill to design beautiful websites from scratch. I've seen a lot of developers struggle not because they can't code, but because making things look good is a whole different skill. And don't even get me started on animations. Animations can make a website feel premium, but they can also be a nightmare to implement. A lot of people either skip animations completely or add choppy and natural effects that don't feel smooth at all. Astray solves all that by offering templates that save developers time so they don't have to build anything from scratch. Eliminate design headaches so you can focus more on functionality. Come with built-in smooth animations so that you don't have to fight with Framer Motion or CSS keyframes. I wanted to make something that I would actually use, something built by a developer for developers. So let's talk about what's under the hood. I'm building Astray using Next.js for components, Tailwind CSS for styling, and Framer Motion for animations. So Next.js makes everything modular, fast, and reusable. And CSS, Tailwind CSS, is a game changer for styling because it speeds up the process and keeps everything consistent. And then Framer Motion is what brings the templates to life. Smooth page transitions, hover effect, parallax scrolling. It makes the UI feel premium. For hosting, I'm using Vercel because of how well it handles static assets and serverless functions. And for design, everything starts with Figma, where I sketch the layouts before translating everything into code. My creative process starts with research. I look at modern web trends, analyze what high converting pages have in common, and sketch rough ideas in Figma. Once I have a concept, I start building. So first, I create the layout in Next.js. Then I refine the UI with Tailwind CSS, making sure everything is pixel perfect. Then finally, I bring it all together with Framer Motion, add smooth transitions, scroll effects, and interactions. One thing I'm really focused on is performance. So these templates should not just look great, they should be fast. So I optimize every single component for SEO, load speed, and responsiveness so that users can get the best experience no matter what device they are on. This part takes the longest, but it's also the most rewarding. Seeing a simple concept turn into a polished interactive template. Now let's talk about the challenges. The biggest one has been balancing design and usability. I wanted Ashtray templates to look unique, but at the same time, they need to be easy to customize. Some users might not be comfortable tweaking React components, so I had to find a balance between advanced features and beginner friendly code. Another challenge has been time. I'm doing this as a solo creator, handling design, development, and marketing. It's a tough juggle between everything, but I learned to prioritize and break things into small, manageable tasks. One lesson I've learned is to get early feedback. I've shared Astrae with a few developer friends, and their input has helped refine things, making the development more modular, improving documentation, and tweaking animations for better user experience. It's a work in progress, but that's what makes the journey exciting. So, what's next? Right now, I'm working on a collection of SaaS, agency, and personal brand templates. The goal is to launch with a core set of designs and expand based on feedback. I also want to add detailed documentation and video walkthroughs to make customization easier. As for launch timing, I don't have a set date yet, but I'm getting pretty close. If you are interested in Ashray, definitely subscribe because I'll be dropping updates and maybe even early access for my subscribers. So that's where Astray is right now. I'm still building, refining, and getting everything ready for the launch. But if you are a developer or designer who wants premium modern templates that save you time and actually look good, make sure to stay tuned. I'll be dropping updates here on YouTube as I get closer to launch. And if you need early access or exclusive discounts, head over to our Instagram account, Astray Design 0, and follow us to get updates and discount codes. Also, if you are looking for custom web design, high performance landing pages, or even an MVP for your SaaS idea, my agency, Atlas Labs, can help you bring your vision to life. Whether you need a polished website or a functional prototype to test your idea or product, we've got you covered. If that sounds like something you need, feel free to reach out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.